talk about something. We all agree and we all know that one of very effective ways to make money online is by offering a service, design, marketing, any service. Since these people want this service, they will make money online. They will buy your service, they will pay you, and they will make money online. Even the agencies called job servicing agencies. And that's why in today's video I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you about 4 services that every SMMA owner should provide. 4, not 5, not 10, not 7. It's only 4 services, basic services. You can add more, but you can't offer less than 3 services or these 4 services. Let's go into video. Let's start with number 1. The very important service that every agency should have or should offer, and that way called SMMA, which is paid advertising. Paid advertising is the basic of the SMMA or social media marketing agencies, which is easy. Launch some campaign or some ads in social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, or even TikTok. But what I'm going to talking about is not only just launch some campaign or just do a picture of service or product, do some curating, select the targeting, select the audience, and you get result. If it is like this, you will see every agency success. For me, I say people just start agency 3 months or 4 months ago and they shut down the agency because it's not only about launching campaign. Paid advertising or advertising in general is very high skill. That's why if you want to start agency of your own agency, the first thing you should do, the first thing you should learn before you start agency, or even if you have an agency, is learning skills or learning marketing. You have to learn how to marketing, audience targeting, retargeting, follow-up, email marketing, SMS marketing. All these things about marketing you should learn, because SMMA is not just about launching some ads or doing some Facebook ads and you get $10,000 a month. No, because if you launch one campaign at one time, you get bad results and you get client burn, and you don't want that. So take your time, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or even 3 months. If you take your time to learn the skill, and most important thing you should do or you should learn is targeting audience. Target audience in the right time, and don't just launch some ads, because if you want to just about launching some ads, I can just show you how to do that. Anyone should know how to launch some ads. You have to know how to market it. And we learn how to launch some ads, and you learn how to do Facebook ads, social media ads, any of that. You have to learn how to design a landing page, and that takes us to skill number 2, which is designing a landing page. Well, landing page is not just a website. It's not even a website. It's a website, yeah, 100%, but it's only for one thing. That's it. It's only one page, not 2 or 4. Or you can get a page. You find contact us about us or our product. No, it's one page for one service or one product only, or even a booking or payment page. That's it. What is a landing page? Okay, landing page is basically file the ads. It's like a website for your product or your service. I'm a dropshipper and you say you have a remote and something you want to sell, and you have to build a landing page for that product only. Like people click on your ads and go to the landing page, and you have to know how to design a landing page, and with the skill coming design, how to like pixel resolutions, you have to do all that. That is service 2. Not really big deal. It's just only this AI tool today. You can just design a landing page in for 3 or 5 minutes, like if you take a long time. This is service number 2, learning how to design a landing page or learning how to do design in general, because design will help you to make a lot of things. Now, number 3, business owners really don't have time to manage digital media, or they even to post content, post just a story in social media platform or any of that. And that was skill number 3 come, social media management or content creation. Because every business owner that I work with in the past, with the agencies I used to work with, is not one of them have time. They only hire social media managers to manage their own social media, like posting some ads, do some video, create reels, posting story, reply to comment, and even applying chat. So you have to hire someone to apply the message. And at SMMA agencies, you have to provide content creation for your client. not every client or not every business needs content creation, but like job shipping client, clothing client, fashion, furniture, flooring. You need a business that really needs social media management or content creation. First of all, like you should do a strategy for his content. What time you post, what time you should not post, what time you should reply to comment. You have to know the right time to post content, what time to do a reel, do a video, or even post a story. You have to know the audience, whether they wake or they sleep. Okay. It's everything in analytics. Okay, that is service number 3 is social media management or content creation for your client. Well, number 4, which is the nightmare of every SMMA or every SMMA owner, is booking appointment service. Every new SMMA owner or every SMMA owner, if you want to impress client or you want to just like sell your client, to promise them or guarantee them a really good or high number of booking appointments. And I really don't recommend that because I will tell you later why. Okay, let's say about booking appointment service. Booking appointment is a really good service. If you don't offering or provide a booking appointment for your client, there's something missing in your entity, because let's say every entity or not every business, but most of them who are dealing with SMMA or digital marketing entities, they buy, the first thing they buy is booking appointments, or the first thing every day will ask you is booking appointments for them. Booking appointments for your clients is really service that shows your clients that how you professional your business or how you are very skilled in your service. But what I'm gonna say to you, I'm gonna talking about is don't promise high number for your client and you don't know how the business runs. I say some people, they said I will book you 100,000 booking appointments in your calendar. I will bring you 25% high booking appointment revenue in your calendar. Like really good number. If I did do that, I will do this. I will book for free. Don't do that. Don't promise your client they will book a really high number for them, because you don't know the position of the business they are, or you don't know none of that. So you have to just say that I will work for you and I will guarantee you that I will do my best. That's it. You don't promise them with 10,000 booking appointments in the calendar. If that does not work, I will pay you 500 checks and I will work for free. Don't do that, because you don't know what's going on. You don't even know that how the ad form. So booking appointment for your client is one really important service that you should provide to your client. It's very easy to set up. Just like from the launch some ads, when you click in your ad, they will show up a form. They will just set up their name, email number, and then we go to the landing page, which in that landing page is depend on the business. This business doesn't need a booking appointment, like I said, job shipping businesses, clothing businesses. Other business doesn't need a booking appointment, but most of them need, like flooring, home remodeling, home improvement, dentist, car dealing. These lot of services need a booking appointment. And what I really recommend is to build a really follow-up system, really good one, because you can book 14 booking appointments in the calendar day, a month, or 100,000, but none of one show up, or they just like show up in 2, 3, and you don't want that. You want to book 10 booking appointments for them and 5 show up. If you book 10 appointments for them and 5 show up, that's what you want. You don't need to book a 14 booking appointment for them and only 2 or 1 show up and the other is not gonna happen. That's because some people forget they even book appointment. So that's why I recommend you to bring a really follow-up system for your business. Like the first week when they book, you have to remember them that, hey, hello, you have book appointment in our this time and this date and this. You have to turn them and you have to like follow them. You have to remember them. You have to remember them. That's hi. You have to do that by manual. You have to. You're just gonna need follow up all that, like building all that in the system. High level basics. There's a lot of AI tools that you can follow up with your client. So that's it. It's only the 4 businesses that you need. I want to make 45 dramatic video and 30 minutes tell you what is every service do, but I think everyone know what is service like, because everyone know, every SMMA owner know the service or provide a lot of service like design, logo design, branding, creating websites, creating a lot of things, but that would client get distracted. They don't know what even do, because client doesn't really care about 1,000 years, and they will not care about what you do. Even if you do wrong, think they bring results, they will stay. And that's it. They're the only 4 services you should offer for your client as SMMA. Thanks to beginners. So you have to make sure you do everything doing right, and take time to learn the skills, and take a really good time to learn the skill, to prove yourself, and offering a free trial for your client. If you do if the client really like, you don't convince them to buy your service, you have to provide them a free trial, show them what you can do. That's it. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video, dislike the video, and tell me in the comments what I'm missing, or if I'm wrong, if I'm right. I'm just telling you guys what I do and what you should do if you want to start SMA. See ya.